Chester.
I didn't recognize you with the fuck
They're at the Halloween party. I love it. I love it.
You got it?
Excuse me.
You got it.
Hey, get a good picture of the
It cost me. Oh, I'm recording, baby.
Hey, Chester.
It's me, Chester. Don't worry.
Excuse me, man.
It cost me $2 to make this. I'm creative. Hi, darling. How are you? Great. Oh, I would love to rip your wings off. Trash. Are you trash? Not yet? Are you, man? You look like you're feeling good. Are you high on drugs, dude?
Do you want to smoke a
Johnny?
Do you want to smoke a joint?
Chester? Me?
Hang on, here's the scariest face I can make. Hold it.
Who, me?
Here's the scariest face I can make.
There she is again. Yummy, both of them. Having some fun. Hey, Jesse.
How's it going? Did you get to fucking do
Nope. Not at all. Oh, it's picture time. Look at all this picture time. Go ahead. I'm recording. What's up? Y'all having a good time? It'd be better if the bands were playing, right?
They'll be playing against it.
I know, fucking pigs though.
Yes.
Is that a video?
I'm supposed to play tonight. Fuck yeah.
Okay,
Got a problem?
I was posing for a picture, but
Most people think that when I point this at them, so don't feel bad. So don't feel.
What's your name?
Chester.
Chester, I'm Ariana.
Ariana.
Ariana, nice to meet you.
Yeah,
It's a
nice
pretty
to meet
name,
you.
isn't it?
What are you supposed to be?
Me. I'm playing tonight. I used to sing for a stupid little band called Zoma. I was the singer, and then now
Chester, do you my friend Ariana?
I just met. Just met.
My friend Ariana. Do you know who I am? I'm Raggedy Ann.
Oh yeah.
We get way back. Did you meet my husband?
No.
My husband of mine.
I love you, Raggedy Ann.
Nice to meet you.
Oh.
I'm good. I swear. I swear.
She's got it.
I got it. Let's come right back to me. Okay? I'll see you later. Love you.
Hi, bon dias con Dios.
Can we take a picture or what?
No, I'm recording. Do you have anything you want to say to the camera on Halloween?
Black people.
What? What?
Hold on.
You're being recorded.
Oh shit, I thought you were
Yeah,
gonna
I'm
take a
just
pic.
annoying like that, dude. I'm going into hard.
Good God.
Good God!
Good God. That's
Good God! I made it. Cost me $2.
I made this.
Because I'm creative. Good.
I'm creative too. Look, I made a hood. I didn't even cut it.
You're fucking smoking hot. What is your name?
Stephanie.
Chester.
Nice to meet you, man. I
Yeah.
like your mask. Awesome.
Thank you. You have a man or anything? Or?
Yeah, he's over there somewhere with a handlebar mustache.
Beautiful ones always have a man. But I bet you don't like your relationship.
What?
I bet you're in a terrible relationship. Everyone I know is.
Oh, terrible. I don't know. I mean,
That's yes. I'm recording.
oh, you are.
Yeah. I document.
You document.
Yeah.
I'm a photographer.
I was supposed to
document
play
as well.
tonight.
Really?
I'm
Why
also a
not?
musician and a novelist.
A novelist.
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, I'd like to read one of your novels. Chrissy!
Chrissy,
I could talk to you all night.
Hulk Hogan!
No.
What the fuck?
Ultimate Warrior.
You said you were Hulk Hogan
We
earlier.
have two Ultimate Warriors at the
Oh,
party.
you okay, I got it now.
Au revoir. Comment allez-vous? Oh shit, parlez-vous français?
Yeah, I'm just really bad at it.
Oh.
Stop.
Oh.
It's my
don't know if you were.
Oh, but she couldn't even say hello.
Do you want me to touch it?
It's awesome. So I'm here at one of our parties again. I'm working my way through the beast. Hello.
Everybody keeps coming through. They're like, "Is that a wig?" I'm like, "Yeah."
I'm recording now.
Oh, you're recording?
Recording.
Puerto Rican, the hand is. I would just win all the time.
Whoa, you're violent.
I'm sorry, werewolf thing.
I'm not a werewolf.
I'm a raccoon.
I'm recording. You're a raccoon?
Oh yeah, look at my fucking tail, dude.
Okay, I guess I have to get